Philadelphia Eagles defensive lineman Michael Bennett was indicted for allegedly assaulting a 66-year-old woman at Super Bowl 51 in Houston. USA Today Sports has pieced together some new wrinkles about the alleged incident at Super Bowl 51. A Houston police officer listed two female victims, one aged 66 and the other 28 at the time, and wrote neither were injured in the alleged incident that took place at 10:39 local time on February 5, 2017. There was one witness outside the alleged victims and no evidence was identified. Both complainants were assaulted by the suspect, the officer wrote. One suspect. No arrest. No injuries. That suspect was Bennett, who was at Super Bowl 51 as a spectator to his brother, tight end Martellus Bennett, who was a member of the New England Patriots at the time. Michael Bennett allegedly shoved multiple security staffers, including a woman who was in a motorized scooter, when they asked him to use another entrance to the field after the game, according to prosecutors. Houston area lawyer Mark Johansson, the attorney for the 66-year-old woman, told USA Today Sports that his client suffered a shoulder injury that required medical treatment. The alleged victim didn't come forward to seek publicity, Johansson said. She was trying to do her job and got hurt. Johansson declined to provide any more details about when his client notified authorities about the injury. "I'm okay," the woman told USA Today Sports in a brief phone interview when asked if she had any lasting injuries from the alleged altercation. She declined to talk about the specifics of the incident. "I have to respect the legal process, so I can't really say anything more," the woman said. USA Today Sports does not disclose the name of alleged victims. Even if there were no injuries, Bennett still could be charged, as he was last month, with injury to the elderly, a felony punishable by up to 10 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. There only needs to be an assault using bodily force, and the victim, who has to be 65 years or older, must merely feel pain, according to Texas state law. Bennett was not charged for assaulting the woman who was 28 years old at the time. Johansson said his client, who is now 67 and has required a wheelchair for 30 years, testified in front of grand jury, which indicted Bennett nearly 14 months after the alleged incident occurred. Johansson didn't rule out a lawsuit against Bennett. There is a 2-year statute of limitations in Texas for alleged assault cases. Rusty Hardin, Bennett's attorney, told USA Today Sports on Wednesday that when all the true facts come out, this was either a misunderstanding or a gross exaggeration. Whatever happened, he wasn't the one who allegedly pushed the staffers, Hardin said.